guys, so quick question before we start this video. What do you think? Mustang. Well, I just wanted to thank one of the viewers for recommending the Grabber Blue racing stripe. You know who you are. My channel's not that big to not know who recommended this. I just wanted to thank you before I started this. So I'm gonna walk around and show you the car, what I've done to it. It's kind of like an update. As you can see, there's a little bit of stuff already done, such as the stripes and the rims. Nothing too big, I guess, but the car definitely has a stance now. Really nice and angry kind of look to it. So walk around. This is what the Grabber looks like with the flat or the matte black color. I'm going to turn on the headlights so you can see what it looks like with the headlights on. Alright. Allergy season. Alright, so that's with the blue lights. I don't know what they're called again. Aqua blue, I think. So it really gives it that mean look. So this is what it looks like with the aqua blue headlights and the racing Grabber blue racing stripes and the matte black paint job. And then walk around. I've had the black wheels taken off and I replaced them with these. They're also 20-inch. I didn't want to go any higher. I did the calipers in a blue, so it kind of matches with the Grabber blue racing stripes. The only thing I'm missing is tinted windows. I'm probably going to do 20% tint windows. Walk around. These are the quad exhaust that I've done to it. This is the back. I just wish that the spoiler in the back was a little bit bigger, like the GT500 spoiler, but this will do for now. But I love the quad exhaust on this. It really brings the car pop out, especially from the back. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but the tires or the wheel, I put a spacer on it, probably like a ½ inch, so it kind of evens out with the fender. Also, the reason why I did that is from the behind. I don't know if I can't really see it from the camera, but if you're behind someone or behind me, the car looks way wider than it should. It gives it that really good looking stance. Alright, so we'll walk around. These are the wheels. I hope you like these better than the previous ones. See, I think I messed up on that right there. I have overspray. I need to clean that out. I think you can clean it out with brake cleaner. I'll take that off right away, but just have to make sure it doesn't go with that paint. So here's the update of the car, and I hope you guys like it. Also, once again, thank you for the guy that recommended the Grabber Blue. I was trying to go with a darker racing stripe, but this one was perfect, just perfect for this color. So I'll just keep you guys updated. I know my videos are very late because I just don't have time, I guess. I know it's kind of an excuse, but it really is. But yeah, if you guys have any more recommendations of what I should do to the car, you know, write them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to update this car with a lot of stuff. That's if I still have it, you know. I keep getting more projects to do. I've done a Ford Mustang GT project, Camaro SS project. I have this. I also have a Chevy Impala that I'm going to do a video on, so stay tuned.